Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to design, export, and test HTML emails straight from Figma, just like pros at big companies such as Uber, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through a real workflow that'll take your email game to the next level. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn a Figma email design into ready-to-test HTML with a free, easy-to-follow method. Let's dive right in. Alright, we'll start inside Figma. If you're new to Figma or just haven't spent a lot of time with email templates, don't worry, I'm here with you every step. First, head to your template section. In Figma, templates are a great way to jumpstart your design process because they give you a solid foundation, saving tons of time compared to starting from scratch. So once you're in the template section, begin searching specifically for email designs. It might help to imagine these templates as pre-baked cakes. The structure is all there, you just add your own flavors, or in this case, your content and styling. Browse through and pick the email design that best fits what you want. Maybe you're looking for a sleek promotional email like Uber would use, or something more minimal for a newsletter. Once you found one, it's time to set things up for export. Now look for the Action button. This is usually at the bottom center of your Figma interface. Think of this button as your toolkit. It's where all the magic happens for exporting and integrating with external tools. In the Action menu, you'll want to search for Marka Email Generator. This is a Figma plugin that helps convert your beautiful visual designs into usable HTML code. Just type in Marka and select the email generator when it pops up. If you haven't installed it before, it might take an extra minute to get set up, but don't worry, it's super straightforward. Plugins in Figma are sort of like power-ups in a video game. They let you achieve so much more with less effort. Now, once Marka Email Generator opens up, you can start setting up the specifics of your email. This is your chance to tweak things. Double-check your headings, swap out any demo content for your real message, and make sure your images are looking crisp and sharp. Take a little extra time here, accuracy matters, because what you see is what your audience will get in their inbox, and you want your email to look as professional and on-brand as possible. Once your email looks perfect, go ahead and click your email design in Marka. This step essentially tells the plugin which artboard or design you want to turn into code. After you've confirmed everything, it's time to preview and export. Hit that preview button so you can see exactly how your email will render before you officially export. Give it a careful look to catch any small formatting issues. Think of this as proofreading an important letter before you pop it in the mail. When you're satisfied, go ahead and export. Marka will generate the HTML and you'll have the option to copy the code directly to your clipboard. Finally, let's talk about testing. For this, we typically use a tool called Email on Acid, which is fantastic for email previews and spam testing. But since we don't have a paid plan set up today, we won't be running our code through there just yet. Just know that when you're ready, you can simply paste that HTML code you copied into Email on Acid and see exactly how your message looks in dozens of different inboxes. Testing is key to make sure your design works everywhere from Gmail and Outlook to mobile and beyond. And that's it. You've just taken your email design from Figma to finished HTML ready for testing. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Got stuck somewhere or have questions about another workflow? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. And if you want more step-by-step guides like this, don't forget to subscribe for future tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.